Dope Academy. She got the streets on lock.
What it do, world? It's your girl, Bree-Ze. Man, we
What you got going on out here?
We out here at the photo shoot, man, you know what I'm saying? Working on some new projects, man. Super excited. I'm glad to have y'all with me on this journey. I've been working. As you can see, I'm out here sweating. Got on a raincoat in the middle of Memphis summer. Like, it's ridiculous out here. But yeah, we getting some work done, man. I'm super excited. This is about to be a part of a great project. So, stay tuned, man.
Delguan Coleman, aka One Day. They call me One Day, and I'm just here to help out, trying to make change for the culture. So I'm glad us Colemans. I'm Delguan Coleman. Coleman, we literally Coleman is hooked up. Literally, real Coleman hooked up. I'm just here with the brand, man. I got my own brand, Coleman and Neil. And my brother called me, and I'm here for him, and this is what we do. You know what I'm saying? So we building together, so we can live together. If you build together, if we build together, we can live together.
That's it. Exactly.
So,
that's what makes the difference right there, brother.
Yeah.
Whole lot of love and respect for that, man. We hustle for our last name, man, not our first name.
Right.
You understand, man?
Real Coleman's out here.
Salute.
That looks good. All right, work out. Come out a little bit. Yeah. Look straight ahead. Let me see you with your shades on. I like that pose. Hold that one. Look out. Look down. Hold it.
Bree killing them. Head to feet. Hey, Aiden.
I think I want something more solid though. Okay. Because it's so much bird and you got on black, the bird got black. Sorry, you got the hood. Hold on, I'm trying to see. I think I want to do a hand side. I need to back it up. Again. You know, look, it just look good.
Man, yes, sir.
Hello?
Cuz go.
Let me see this again.
Y'all, I'm excited. I'm hot. I'm tired. Y'all would not believe this day. I'm going to just go ahead and tell y'all. The devil was working because I got my hair done Friday. Puffed back out. It's hot out here, right? So that happened. Then when I got my nails done, and they ain't not messing up. But we Gucci now. You know, we got it together. Then today, the day of the shoot, as I'm cranking up my car to pull up to the location, trying to get ready to leave, the car didn't want to crank. There wasn't nothing but the devil. But nonetheless, thank God for Uber.